So tomorrow morning, I'm going to be traveling 5 hours because my cousin's having his wedding, and we're just doing a throwaway weekend, and I have camp, like summer camp, the week after that, and I'm going to be so freaking tired for the first day of that. But I'll show you my outfit probably on Saturday, and I'll be updating you in the vlog. So, wish you luck.